In today's video, I will be teaching you a quick tutorial on how to make $1,000 a day or even a full-time income with this simple method by just using the app Facebook. You can easily use this method and just sit around at your home all day and do a couple of marketing and make an average of $1,000 every single week. All this method requires is the app Facebook and about $3,000 to start off with, but if you don't have $3,000, I will show you a quick way to make $3,000 in just a couple of hours. So to make $3,000 in just a couple of hours, you are going to have good credit. You are going to need to use your credit with this method, because if you don't have $3,000 saved up, you are going to have to take out a quick cash advance or apply for you a small loan of $1,500 or even $3,000 just to get this started up. And after you learn the method, you will be able to pay that loan back in just the first week. So to get a cash advance, if you don't know already, just go to your banking app, go to whatever bank you bank with, and ask for a cash advance off of your credit card or whatever. Apply for a cash advance. In most cases, if you have Navy Federal or Wells Fargo, you will get that money in just a couple of minutes. But before we get into this video, guys, please be sure to check out the Patreon and the link in the description, where we do offer online courses, where we do offer ways to make money the easy way, how to make money in crypto, how to start your business, even how to online market. You don't want to miss any of this key information, so stick around, strap your seatbelts in, and stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! What's up, YouTube? This is Black Investors Group, and on this channel we post daily and we make investing easy. And as you can see from the intro, I will be showing you how you can make $1,000 a week on average. You can even make $2,000 a week by selling cars on Facebook Marketplace. Now guys, this method is completely easy. All you have to do is pull up your Facebook app, go on Marketplace, type in used cars, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna find all the cars under $5,000. And on Facebook Marketplace or even Craigslist, this is absolutely easy to find. Depending on the market in your city, even if you are in a busy city, there is still gonna be cars on the market every day going for under $5,000. Key to this method is you want to be an early bird, because the early bird does get the worm. You want to hop on Facebook Marketplace around 6 o'clock in the morning every day just to search the marketplace to see if you can find these $3,000 cars or even sometimes $2,500 cars that people are trying to sell just to get rid of. Once you find that car, you always don't want to just go in full cash on. You want to lowball, you want to negotiate, you want to haggle. So you find a car for $4,000 that is listed for $4,000, but you know this car is worth $3,000 and it looks good, and you know you can sell it for $5,000. So what you want to do, guys, is you just want to negotiate, say $2,500 on the first offer, and then see where it goes from there. He might be like $4,000, but when you get there and you test drive that car, if anything is wrong with that car, a small dent, crack in the windshield, an engine light is on, any lights are on, tires aren't good, brakes aren't good, anything wrong with it at all, be like, due to this reason right here, sir or ma'am, would you accept $3,500 even though they're trying to sell it for $4,000? You're already in front of their face, you already have the cash. In most cases, guys, the seller is gonna say yes, unless they're just really strict on the price that they're trying to get. And 50% or 70% of the times, guys, if you try to lowball them $500 or $300, they're gonna say yes just to make that easy money. So now you have your car, and what you want to do is you want to clean this car up, make it look good, probably put $100 in it, maybe get some window tints, maybe install a Bluetooth stereo if you are getting an older car, and you just want to simply flip this car and post it right back on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. Now you can pay $5 to get a good spot on Craigslist, and of course Facebook Marketplace is free. And guys, you will get about 5 to 10 offers a day on this vehicle, but even though you get 10 offers, you might only get 2 people that actually text back again, and you might only get 1 actual car meetup. And then out of that 1 car meetup, you will probably have to do 3 car meetups just to finally sell the car. So yes guys, it does take a little time, but for each car you sell, the labor that you're actually putting in only takes about 5 or 6 hours from the time that you spend driving and the time that you spend on your phone trying to market your vehicle. So to work 5 or 6 hours in just one single week to make $1,000 is absolutely a big W. So don't sleep on this method guys. All you have to do, buy a car, clean up the car, post the car again on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, and now you have made $1,000 or $500 or even $1,500 profit off of just one single car. Because the key to this is lowball, negotiate to get that car for cheap guys. Get a $3,000 car, or if you do have a bigger budget, get a $5,000 car that's worth $7,000 or even that's worth $9,000 and sell it for $7,000. Because guys, some people are asleep out here. They are selling good cars that's worth $8,000, $9,000 for like $5,000 guys. And if you can pick it up for even $5,500 and sell it for $7,000 in just 1 week, you've made that $1,500 profit. So that's it for this quick video today guys on how to make money off of Facebook Marketplace by selling cars. And guys, you can do this method up to 3 times a year depending on what state you are in, if you are registering the car into your personal name. And if you want to advance this business model, you can easily start you up a car dealer. You can easily start you up a car business. You could label it as a rental car business or whatever. If you want to get your dealer's license and take this to a different level guys, you do have to have a lot of requirements, such as an office space and a big sign in front of that office space guys. A lot of us aren't able to get that office space, but if you just set up a car business that's, you know, saying that you are in a rental car company, there are less requirements and you can start selling these cars in your business EIN and start getting unlimited car sales each year. But this method is absolutely easy and accessible for quick cash, and like I said, you can do this 3 times a year, especially in the state of Florida, which I am. You can do this 3 times a year, make easy cash money, and make $1,500 possibly in just one single week. And guys, maybe you might not sell a car a week or find a car to buy a week. Maybe you might only sell 1 car a month or 2 cars a month. But just think about it, if you come up on 1 good car a month guys for a $1,500 profit, you've still only made $1,500 in just 5 hours of labor. And all the other time that you have guys, you could work a job, or you could spend more time being self-employed, working on your entrepreneurship, working on your business, your online business. And if you don't already have your business started up guys, look through my channel, go ahead and subscribe to the Patreon and start you an online business today. Learn how to market guys. All the lessons are over on the Patreon, so go ahead and subscribe. But yes guys, entrepreneurship is the way to go, so don't sleep on it. Always make extra money. Don't depend on one source of income. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends. This is Black Investors Group. I'm KINGLATTA. We out. Woo! If you haven't done so already, man, please go in the link in the description and subscribe to the Patreon. Over on the Patreon, we have how to make money the easy way, how to boost your credit fast, and how to make money online in multiple different niches. Also, we have a full step-by-step startup on how to start your own trucking business. If you guys still have more questions, you can always feel free to reach out to me in the Calendly link in the description. We do offer coaching calls for $10. You can either schedule a 10-minute conversation or a 30-minute conversation one-on-one with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the movement. This channel is on the way to 100K. You don't want to miss out on how to make this money the easy way. Now let's go up together, make it to the top, and let's get this money.
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pulled before, got me stuck in a dream.